Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the muscles of the back. So we will discuss their origin, their insertion, their nerve root supply and function of the each muscles. So there are the following five muscles of the back. Number 1, trapezius muscle. This is the trapezius muscle. Number 2, latissimus dorsi muscle. And number 3 is the levator scapulae muscle, which is present under the trapezius muscle. So this is the levator scapulae muscle. This is the levator scapulae muscle. And number 4 is the rhomboid minor muscle. Rhomboid minor muscle is also present under the trapezius muscle. So this is the rhomboid minor muscle. And number 5 is the rhomboid major muscle, which is also present under the trapezius muscle. So these are the following five muscles of the back. First of all, we will discuss the origin, insertion and function of the trapezius muscle. Trapezius muscle originates from the medial one-third of the superior nuchal line. So this is the superior nuchal line, and the trapezius muscle originates from the medial one-third of the superior nuchal line. And it also originates from the ligamentum nuchae, external occipital protuberance, and from the C7 spine and the thoracic vertebra of the T1 to T12 spines. Now we will see the insertion of the trapezius muscle. Upper fibers of the trapezius muscle are inserted into the posterior border of the lateral one-third of the clavicle, and the middle fibers are inserted into the medial margin of the acromion process and the upper lip of the crest of the spine of the scapula, and the lower fibers are inserted on the apex of the triangular area at the medial end of the spine. And the nerve root supply is the C3 and C4 nerve root of the spinal cord. Now we will discuss the function of the trapezius muscle. So the upper fibers of the trapezius muscle act with the levator scapulae muscle and elevate the scapula. Okay, and the middle fibers act with the rhomboid muscles and retract the scapula. And the upper and lower fibers act with the serratus anterior muscle and rotate the scapula forwards around the chest wall and play an important role in the abduction of the arm beyond the 90 degree. तो जो ट्रेपीजियस मसल है इसके तीन मेन इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस हैं। एक तो ये लिवेटर स्केपुलाई मसल के साथ मिलके हमारा जो स्केपुला है इसको एलिवेट करता है। दूसरा जो इसके मिडिल फाइबर्स हैं ये रोम्बॉइड मसल के साथ मिलके जो हमारा स्केपुला है इसको रिट्रैक्ट करने में अपना रोल प्ले करते हैं। और जो अपर और लोअर फाइबर्स हैं ये स्ट्रैटस इंटीरियर मसल के साथ मिलके जो हमारी आर्म है इसकी अबाव द 90 डिग्री एबडक्शन में अपना रोल प्ले करते हैं। Now we will discuss the origin of the latissimus dorsi muscle. So the latissimus dorsi muscle originate from the posterior one-third of the outer lip of the iliac crest and the spine of the thoracic vertebra from the T7 to T12 and inferior angle of the scapula. And the latissimus dorsi muscle inserted into the intertubercle sulcus of the humerus. So this is the intertubercle sulcus of the humerus. So the latissimus dorsi muscle inserted into the intertubercle sulcus of the humerus. Now we will discuss the functions of the latissimus dorsi muscle. जो latissimus dorsi muscle है इसको हम क्लिम्बिंग मसल भी कह सकते हैं क्योंकि ये क्लिम्बिंग के दौरान हमें मेन सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करता है। इसके अलावा स्विमिंग, रोमिंग और क्लिम्बिंग एंड पुलिंग के दौरान ये हमारी जो आर्म है इसकी एक्सटेंशन, एडक्शन और मिडल रोटेशन में अपना रोल प्ले करता है। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द ओरिजिन, इंसर्शन एंड फंक्शन ऑफ द लेवेटर स्केपुलाई मसल. So this is the levator scapulae muscle which originate from the transfer process of C1 to C4 cervical vertebra and inserted into the upper part of the middle border of the scapula. And the main function of the levator scapulae muscle is that it play an important role in the elevation of the scapula. नाम से ही ज़ाहिर है मतलब कि लेवेटर स्केपुला मतलब कि लिवेटर मतलब कि जो लेवेटर स्केपुला मसल है ये जो हमारा स्कैपुला है इसको एलिवेट करने में अपना रोल प्ले करेगा। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द रोम्बॉइड माइनर मसल। सो दिस इज द रोम्बॉइड माइनर मसल which originate from the lower part of the ligamentum nuchae and from the spines C7 and T1 and inserted into the base of the triangular area at the root of the spine of the scapula. And this is the rhomboid major muscle which originate from the spines of the T2 to T5 vertebra and supraspinous ligaments and inserted into the medial border of the scapula below the root of the spine. And both of these two muscle mean rhomboid minor and rhomboid major muscle play the same role, which is the retraction of the scapula.